Hey y'all, Jen Hernandez, Loan with Jen. Mortgage checklist documentation. Do you want to know what documents are needed for pre-approval? Stay tuned. Okay, we're back. So this video is going to talk about the required documents to submit to obtain a mortgage. So I'm going to go through some categories. You'll want to take some notes. I like to make short videos, so hang in there with me. And at the end, like, share, and subscribe if you like this information. We release 2 videos a week about Mortgage 101, the best knowledge you need to know. All right, so mortgage checklist documentation. So I always tell clients, remember 222, 2 pay stubs, 2 bank statements, 2 years W-2s or taxes. So I'm gonna go a little bit more in depth, but 222, just remember that. So income, if you're employed, not owning your own business, we just need pay stubs and W-2s. So we need 2 pay stubs if you're paid twice a month, or if you're paid every week, we need 4 pay stubs. So we need enough to cover a 1-month period of time. W-2s that you get at the end of the year, we need 2 years W-2s. So the most 2 recent years that have issued W-2s, we need those. In the current year, we rely on your year-to-date pay stub to see what your current pay rate is. Now, if you're self-employed, we need tax returns. So self-employed people, some are contract 1099, some have incorporations. So whatever that is, we need all pages of your tax return. If you have any W-2s or K-1s, we need those. And we also need we need your business tax returns. So you might as well get those ready. We will need business tax returns for as many businesses as you own. Now, self-employed is considered any company that you own at more than 25% in. So if you are incorporated and there's other members, if it's 25% or more, you are considered self-employed. So just a side note. Now the next thing is on income is if you're retired. So you might get Social Security, you might get IRA distributions, you might have a pension. So talk to your local lender exactly what applies to you, but those are the things that we usually see that we'll need to see proof of those things, like a Social Security award letter, proof of a pension payout, you know, the terms of what that monthly amount is. So the goal with mortgage approval is monthly recurring income that's expected to continue. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. Now let's go to assets. That's things like bank statements, investment accounts, retirement, IRAs, 401ks, those types of things. So we need 2 months statements. We need to have a 60-day view of all of your accounts. Now we do need all of the pages, so no snapshots please, no snapshot of today's activity. There's lots of people that do online banking. We need the full statement that has your name, address, account number, everything visible. Please don't black anything out because we've got to be able to see it. So 2-month statements, all of the pages. Even if you think that the page just has a bunch of advertisements or, you know, canned typed rules or whatever it is, it doesn't matter. We need all of the pages. So if there's 6 pages on the statement, 1 through 6, please, that is what the lender needs. Now, the other thing that is an asset is real estate owned. So for any home that you own, it can be a home, it can be a lot, it can be a condo, anything that you own. Even if you've inherited it or someone else pays the mortgage, it doesn't matter. If you are entitled to a home, either with yourself or another person, it's considered, we've got to put it on your real estate owned section of the application. We need annual tax bill, annual insurance, HOA proof if there's homeowners insurance dues, and we need a current mortgage statement. So all of those things are needed to prove your obligation to that asset. So we also need your photo ID. Lastly, we need photo ID, driver's license, state issued driver's license is fine. If you can't find your driver's license, passport's okay too. If you're a permanent resident, we need the permanent resident card front and back. And if you are on a type of work permit or visa, we'll need that as well, the US issued visa or work permit as well. So I hope that this covers it. These are the things that are needed at pre-approval. And good luck. Talk to your local lender. Please like, share, and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Legacy Mutual Mortgage is an equal housing opportunity lender. The opinions expressed here do not reflect those of Legacy Mutual Mortgage.